Amazon Prime members spend 40% more annually, driven by commitment and consistency. Apple highlights 5-star reviews on product pages. This builds trust, as 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. Bright Local 2023. Collect customer testimonials using a simple Google form. Amazon uses time-limited deals, like lightning deals, which expire in 6 hours or when 80% claimed. This creates urgency. Also, announce limited stock on a product page, adding a 24-hour countdown timer using a Shopify app like Ultimate Sales Boost, $9.99 per month. Nike partners with top athletes, like LeBron James, lending their credibility. This boosts product desirability. Then, position yourself as an expert by sharing industry insights. Create a weekly LinkedIn post discussing a specific trend in your niche, citing a report from a source like Deloitte, increasing perceived expertise by 40%, HubSpot 2022. Apple's sleek design and user-friendly interface foster strong brand affection. People prefer doing business with those they like. Next, personalize customer interactions. Use a CRM like HubSpot, free tier available, to track customer preferences, then send tailored follow-up emails with relevant content, improving engagement by 27%. Salesforce 2023. Amazon Prime exemplifies commitment. Members pay annually, reinforcing their loyalty. Once committed, people desire consistency. So encourage small initial commitments. Offer a free 14-day trial for a service, then a discounted first month at $15, increasing full subscriptions by 18%. SaaS Metrics Report 2023. You've learned how Apple, Nike, and Amazon use Cialdini's social proof, scarcity, authority, liking, and commitment principles. Next, watch our video on AI tools for customer service.